tokens for 2 for $4? 2 tokens for $4?
Two, three, four. I've been waiting here for days, trying to catch a break. But the way I'm living, it's gonna cause my heart to ache. 'Cause all the money I had is gone. All the money I had is gone.
What do you have to say of yourself?
I feel like a bit of an idiot. Setting up my tent and just about to throw my sleeping bag in it and get a whole bunch of weight in it. Big breeze picked up and just set my tent airborne right out into the center of the current. It's day one and my tent just floated away downstream. Drew hopped in the raft and he headed out of here like a bat out of hell, so hopefully he'll be back soon with my tent. If not, I don't know, it's going to be a long trip. That'd be
Drew,
amazing.
Did you find the tent?
No, unfortunately not. I paddled about 3 kilometers around in the current, but it never resurfaced. That's pretty fucking hilarious. Oh man, good times.
We're on the Broadback River in Northern Quebec. The rivers that flow into this side of James Bay are massive, and we're here during spring flows to paddle the final 120 kilometers, where the river is steepest and its banks are widest.
I mean, obviously there is a bit of a tongue there we want to hit. You don't want to go left or right, but we're money right down the center.
Soft on my shoulder, sing it to me, baby, just one more time. Let's pretend that it isn't over and you're still mine. Let's pretend we're like we used to be. Let's pretend you're still in love with me. Soft on my shoulder, sing it to me, baby, just one more time. I know you love another, and there's nothing more that I can do. I know you love another, and tomorrow he'll be here with you. But let's not talk about tomorrow or forever. Let's pretend that we're still together. Soft on my shoulder, sing it to me, baby, just one more time.
So coming up to Rooster Falls today was a pretty weird. It was pretty neat. You can hear the falls from like 2 kilometers away, and there's pretty black clouds. And it turns out that I think to me it's the biggest rapid I've ever seen, most powerful whitewater, and it's just doing some crazy stuff that I have no idea what's really happening underneath it. So we're going to portage around, but it's a pretty stellar sight. Pretty cool place to be. We had some piss and rain for a while, and yeah, pretty wild day. Thanks for putting that together, man.
Yeah, no worries. And in terms of water, I'd say it's not quite at its peak spring flood, but it's definitely still flowing. On the map in this Rooster Falls, there's supposed to be a big island in the center, and a lot of it is underwater. And you can just tell the water's a lot higher than normal.
Everything from class 1 to maybe class 5 today. So it's a big day at Whitewater. And the river's got some water in it right now. It should be fun. Here we go.
Oh, my sweet babe, we come to make a sacrifice. Every day, a dying day. Be it ox or be it rain, Father, tell me, please, the God of Abraham. Every day, a dying day. Oh, my sweet babe, it is the blood of the innocent. Every day, a dying day. Are you to understand the weight of him who holds the blade? And who are you to stay the hand of him who made you?
So this is where the raft fails miserably. We got a kick-ass headwind, and we're making probably 1 kilometer an hour. This thing sucks.
That's optimistic.
Yeah.
I've got the fumbles. It's freezing out here. So it's ledge 5, so I'm assuming like an R5 and R3-4 after that.
And
So
did you draw the blue line?
I did, yeah, to say like substantial.
Yeah.
Wait for
just made it down. Probably definitely the biggest piece of whitewater that I've ever run in a fully loaded raft full of camera gear, all our sleeping bags, all our food and everything. Only about halfway through our trip. And there is a 100-foot waterfall downstream from us. So had something have happened on that rapid, it could have potentially been pretty disastrous. But Drew set a pretty good line heading down that one. I was able to follow him. Now I did go a lot meatier than I originally intended. Basically right down the pipe of that one. How was that one, Hartman?
Yeah, that went pretty neat. Not so much on purpose, but that's the way she goes.
She is chilly.
To run the trip we wanted to, bringing a raft made sense, but it didn't come without its own set of unique challenges.
Yeah, well, it was a hell of a day today. Definitely put a lot of hours in. We were up at 6, so it was a big day, like 12 hours on the water. And now we're sitting pretty though. I think we've definitely caught up to where we wanted to be. It's kind of nice.
So we're starting off the morning with a bang here. We got a class 4, kind of thread the needle between 2 giant holes that you don't want to be anywhere near, and Matt said he's going to run the raft down. Drew and I weren't really interested in doing that, so he's going to get on the oars, and it's a pretty huge back ferry. If you don't make it, you end up in a pretty nasty place, so I don't know, let's hope he nails this.
Sometimes we're bad. Past all of our sorries. Sometimes we're wrong. More than we let on. Sometimes we try. So I was down to lose track. Sometimes we need
once we hit the bay, the winds definitely picked up. Obviously, we have to deal with some tides now that we're at the ocean, so we hit it at low tide, so it was helping us out. But yeah, basically, the big change was a whole heck of a lot more wind. You can feel it a lot more, especially once we came around this point we're camping on. You can feel it blowing in from the north pretty hard, and you can definitely see that it could be quite powerful at times, which is why we want to get an early start tomorrow.
Car or something. A raccoon.
Crazy how much like grass and stuff there is here.
Yeah, underwater.
Like, it'll get underwater a lot.
Got a black widow spider for a mama, Lord. Got a diamondback rattler for a paw. Well, I got me a woman down in New Orleans. Got a friend in Arkansas. Got a morning full of make-believe. Got an evening full of time. I got the hands, but a lady gonna make you grieve. Loving gonna make you mine. Ain't never seen your town before, and I won't be back again. Oh, I need me a place to hide my face from the howling of the wind. I got the blues sewn into my jacket sleeve. Got a goat skin full of wine. I got the hands, pretty lady gonna make you grieve, and the loving gonna make you mine.
Party man, shit's not looking good.
Really?
Yeah, we're gonna run out of gas before we get to fucking Matagami. Rule of the Northern Roads is don't let it drop past half. We're down below E.